Alrighty, first night in Victoria last night. Feels the same in South Australia. No, actually the scenery's changed a little bit. Got all these massive trees. So we were just woken up. Didn't sleep too well last night. Hey Megan.
Yeah, it was the coffee.
Hey?
We had a 4 p.m. coffee.
Oh yeah. No, we had a 4:30, 5 o'clock coffee. So that was a bad idea. So we're up all night. A few weird noises last night. Sound like pigs or maybe cows, I don't know. I don't think they're cows, I think they're, I don't know, wild boars maybe. God knows. Hey?
But there's no bloody wild pigs.
There is probably no wild pigs here. But that's what it is, I reckon. It was bloody weird noise. So we just make some pancakes. One of our favourites. Hey.
Yeah, gotta sneak those veggies in.
Megan's wearing my jumper. So Megan makes pancakes and I make the coffees. Strong coffees. Alrighty. Gonna have some breakfast and we'll see you soon.
Had a bit of a slow start to today. So we've literally just had breakfast, spent pretty much the whole day filming our Troopy tour, which we probably put up before this video anyway.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna have dinner at about 4 o'clock and we've got this wicked campsite with a fire pit, and now that we're in Victoria we can actually light a fire.
Test out the chainsaw.
So it's day 2 in Victoria for us now. We actually ended up staying another night at that same campground.
Yeah, got the fire going.
Yeah,
It was mint, finally.
Such a beautiful spot, but we also wanted to stay again because we read heaps of comments on Wikicamp saying that people had spotted koalas. And I don't think I might have seen one at the zoo when I was a kid, but I don't think I've ever seen one
Yeah, no, I don't.
that before. So
I've never really seen one,
we
so.
were sort of, waiting around for one to
But I
pop
don't.
out. But
we can hear them during the night.
We can hear them at night. They make such a weird noise. The first night we were here, we were like, what is that noise?
Yeah.
And then we Googled what sound does the koalas make.
I thought it was pigs, and then we Googled it, and it's actually the sound
So we've never
of koalas.
heard the sound of a koala.
So it was
Have
weird.
a Google. It's really weird.
So yeah, we're going for a little explore now, try and find one. We're not having much luck though. But yeah, we spotted some kangaroos. It's a beautiful campsite, and the best bit about it is it's free. Yo.
What are you doing?
Just filling up the water for the day. One thing about travelling around is it's always hard to find water. It's not hard, but
I think for us,
it can take a while.
we probably, the next build, I think we'll definitely have
Yeah.
a water tank.
Next build, big water tank.
Yeah, we just had an overnighter at this spot here, which is sort of not really a caravan park, but just like,
Recreational park. Yeah, it's run by the community.
yeah, which has been a nice little stop. We had a pretty big mix up in our original plan, we were going to spend a few days around the Grampians National Park, but didn't realise that it was actually a long weekend.
So busy.
It was packed, and we were so excited to have a look at all of these cool like cliffside campsites, and they were all full. So
yeah. I was speaking to a few Melbourneers as well.
Victorians.
Victorians. At the other campground we got lucky and we actually did find a free camp.
But out of the national park.
2 hours away from the national park. And he said that it was the busiest he's ever seen it as well. I think it's got something to do with lockdowns and everyone's allowed out finally. So
embracing their freedom. So instead of the Grampians, we're just going to take our time along the Great Ocean Road. So we just got to our next campsite, which is near the Great Otway National Park.
and oh my god,
it's amazing. It's
honestly
like we've just gone from the coast and stepped into a rainforest within like 20 minutes.
it's a paradise.
Except we did go pretty like deep down into the forest,
Yeah.
so like rugged up a bit now. It's a bit chilly.
And there's nobody, absolutely nobody around, so that's pretty good.
Yeah.
We've been in Melbourne, how long now? And it's just been packed everywhere.
Yeah, so many people.
Everywhere we go, it's just been packed.
Good to
And
get
finally, we've got it to ourselves. But yeah, check out the trees in the background. They're just massive. It's crazy. We've seen nothing like this before.
Never.
This is the first.
I feel like we're gone camping in the zoo. That's like the closest thing I've ever seen to anything like this.
But yeah, we're going to go for a bit of explore.
Yeah. Hopefully not get bitten by too many mozzies.
Yeah, there's mozzies everywhere. That's a little downer, but it doesn't matter.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go. Good morning. What a bloody sleep last night. Have a look where we are. It's just absolutely magnificent. Just checking the bar at the back. I always forget to lock the old pins in, and the tyres come out and hit the side of the car a few times, and there's a massive dent there, so I always double check. But yeah, check out where we are. It's just magnificent, isn't it? Hey.
I think that's one of my favourites so far.
Yeah. We had the best sleep last night. Something to do with nature, mate. The trees here are just massive. You can't even get here, but you just need to come.
Yeah.
You just need to get here.
I thought that we'd have to wait till Queensland to get this sort of
Yeah, it was
place,
crazy.
but so wicked.
We've pulled up in the middle of the road where we probably shouldn't be, but we're on the koala hunt this morning.
Yeah, this is, I think, like the third location we've gone to where we've been told that there should be koalas, and we finally found them.
And they're bloody
So
everywhere.
excited. They're so cool.
Check it out. guys, all in all, good day. But something happened today and it scared the shit out of me. Fucking, there was a massive huntsman, and I saved the day, of course. But we tried to get a bit of video of it. It was massive. It was like this big. Not even over exaggerating, eh?
No, it was like...
It was massive.
It went and spread its legs out.
Oh mate. And it came through here, and it went in there, and then it came out, and then it went up here. Me and Megan were just eating lunch up on the couch, and we've both seen it just there. And it ran in there, and then 5 hours later, mate.
Slight over-exaggerated.
Maybe 3 hours.
I think it was like 3 hours.
Oh mate, the whole car was out, everything was out. But we got it safely out of the car, and we're both shook up. Got a bit of PTSD. What is it called?
PTSD.
We got a bit of PTSD, but
It made me hungry.
we're going to survive, and it's made Megan hungry, so it's made you hungry.
Because I feel like my heart rate was like elevated. I thought I was doing exercise.
If you've never had a huntsman inside your car, appreciate it, because it is a disaster. Oh my god, he's back at there.
Ram him in the head.
Get. But anyway, got a nice free camp tonight, and we're gonna start up some dinner, and we're gonna sleep well tonight.